Shitter. Look at all this stuff. So I think there's something stuck in there. She says it won't go down, so let's see if we can get the snake to go down here. I got two kinds of snakes here. We'll try this head first. That one's down. Just might have been a hard turd in there or something. Whoa, hang on a minute. I see it.
Something?
Yeah. It's a toothbrush.
Oh boy.
I've gone fishing. That do it. That's what happens is the toilet paper gets stuck on there all the time.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
They didn't tell you about the toothbrush, huh?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, I know the deal. You should see, I got a list of shit I take out of toilets.
I can imagine.
Mary statues, all kinds of shit.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Flipping nuts.
Let's see if it goes down now.
It should. That's the sound we want to hear, huh?
I know. It's a wonderful sound.
I told you there's something in there.
Yeah, I'll take care of cleaning it. You don't have to worry.
Gotta tell them, yeah. I mean, they're gonna throw the flipping toilet toothbrush out if they can't flush it. That's ridiculous. That's bad.
Yep, that's the sound we like.
That's the sound. I'll leave the toothbrush right there for him, whoever it was. Who's that? Must be a boy if it's blue. Grandson?
My great-grandson.
You're lucky I was able to get it out.
It floated.
Crazy.